Hey everyone, my name's Mark Plant. This is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant. This is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for tuning in. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel. Allows me to do this stuff. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. You know I appreciate it. Hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button. You'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of it. If you have any better ideas of what I'm doing, let me know. Alright, so my last video I said how I'm going to be starting to do a wall in the basement to build a workshop and then like a living room office type area on the other side. So I started last night. I didn't film anything because did it after work and it was just a let's get it going. So I created a mess. Go in, I'll show you what I did. What I did isn't a mess, but there's a mess in there now, so let's check it out. Alright, so I got all the wood on the floor here. Yeah, this is a mess. This is the definition of a mess. Yeah. So, as I trip on the wood, so what I'm going to be doing, or I should show you, what I did last night was I started the wall on the kick wall here. I'm framing up the rest of the wall. I ran out of gas last night, so I stopped. And what it was going to be is going to be a case of I was going to get hurt, so I stopped. What I need to do now is I need to cut the rest of the studs for the wall, frame them in, and lift it up. The problem I'm having in this house here is none of the walls are square. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I would love to meet the person that built this house. Because looking up here, that's the main joist of the house. It is just glued together plywood. I don't know how that passed. I really don't know how that passed. So the more I see of this house. But in any case, I'm going to get this wall up. I'm going to have to snip the main runners of the hanging ceiling. Hopefully the ceiling doesn't collapse by me doing that. We'll see. But what I'm going to do, like I said right now, is I got to cut these 2x4s. Did it last night inside the house. I'm going to take them outside right now and we'll cut them on the sawhorses. So let's go and do it. There we go, all cut. Alright, so I got the risers cut. I guess that's what you'd call them. Like I said, I'm not technical on this stuff, so bear with me on it. So now what I gotta do, screw them in, screw the base plate, and then lift it up. Here we go. Alright everyone, got the frame all put together now. It's all set. Pro tip, if you're using the impact driver, don't touch the head of the screws after you've just driven it in. They are freaking hot. Whoo, I learned that quick. But now what I gotta do is, with the hanging ceiling, I have the main runners going across here. I've got to cut them in order to put this up. I don't know how that's gonna work. So we'll see. I might have the whole ceiling collapse on me. This might not be a good thing, but I gotta do it. So let's see how it works. All right, everyone. I amaze myself sometimes. I truly do. I am not a carpenter by any stretch of the imagination. I really, but I got the wall up. Studs up anyway. Got a nice opening here for a 34-inch door. Yeah, this is going to be nice. So what we got to do now is we got to get some sheetrock. All those supplies we got to run to Lowe's, and the other side of the wall I'm going to put plywood up. Well, we'll see how expensive it is, but yeah, this is going a lot quicker than I thought. I'm happy with it. Everything's nice and plumb. This house isn't, this wall is. So it's going to be interesting. So I got a couple of other things I got to do. I got to shore up the top, so I got to rip a couple of 2x4s to fit in there, and we'll go from there. So I'll get right back with you guys in a bit. All right, everyone. Just as my luck would be, we went to go get the sheetrock and it started to rain. So we're not getting sheetrock today, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to pick it up during the week, and we'll have to put the sheetrock up during the week. I wanted to get it done this weekend, but unfortunately, sheetrock and rain do not mix. I don't have a cover on my truck, so yeah, it just won't work. But what I'm going to do today is I've got to get this mess cleaned up, organized some way. Problem I have is, well, first of all, my wife's angry at me because she's got to be able to get to her freezer over there, and you have to be an Olympic hurdler to get over there right now. So I got to clean that up. So I'll do that. I got to straighten up this mess over here. And yeah, like I said, when I first started doing the videos, I can make a mess like anyone. And I did. So my day today is going to be just straightening this out. Biggest thing's driving me nuts is I've got crap all over my workbench. Can't use it that way, so it's made things a little more difficult. So I've got to work a little more efficiently when I'm doing this. Just so I can do things and not make a mess. So I'll get better at it. But what I need to do first is I need to do laundry and get all that stuff up, you know, typical weekly chores. So I'm going to do that. Let's get the laundry up, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to straighten this out. So I'll get back with you guys in just a little bit. All right, everyone, all showered up, ready for the day. I got to get this cleaned up. Worst part of making a mess is having to clean it up, but we got to be able to use this basement for the week. So this is where I wish I had helpers. Make it so much easier. But I want to get all my tools back where they belong, so that when I get back to doing this wall later on in the week, I know where they are. So that's one of my biggest problems, is can't find stuff. It gets put in different places, and it's really irritating. So yeah, it's my fault. So let's get this cleaned up, and let's see what other chaos we can cause today. All right, everyone. Well, Mother Nature's not going to cooperate with me. It is raining hard out right now, so I'm not going to be able to get the sheetrock today. So I'll do that in a separate video coming up. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy. I got done with what I wanted to get done this weekend. I would have loved to have had the sheetrock put up on the wall and everything, but can't do it if it's raining, so not able to get the sheetrock. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, the next video will be me putting up the sheetrock. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if there's a better way I could have done this. Let me know if you liked the video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. Yeah, I can't wait to have a workshop. So this will be inside my workshop. My bench is a mess. The whole place is a mess. So I just can't wait to get this straightened out. This clutter is killing me right now. But anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll be back to you guys again real soon.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.